How to fix Vanguard user mode service high CPU. So if you want to fix the Vanguard user mode service high CPU problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply right click on your taskbar and go with task manager. Once you're under the task manager, now here if you have the applications like unnecessary applications running in the background, then you just need to simply go with that applications and just exit or end the task. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to move on to the next solution, which is you need to uninstall and reinstall your Vanguard. So to do that, you just need to simply open up your services. Here, you just need to simply select the service, press V on your keyboard, and here you just need to simply go with a service which is VGC. So if you have the VGC service, you just need to simply right click on it and stop the service. Once you stop the service, now you'll be able to uninstall your Vanguard. To do that, you just need to simply open up your control panel. So search for control panel. Once you search for it, now here you will have an option of uninstall programs. You just need to simply search for it, which is right here, programs and features. And here you will have your Vanguard. You just need to simply search for your Vanguard and select it and then go with uninstall, which will be on the upper side, and you'll be able to uninstall it. Once you uninstall, then you can simply again reinstall it. To reinstall, you can simply open up your Riot, and without doing anything, Riot client will automatically download the Vanguard. After the download is complete, it will ask to restart your computer. You just need to simply restart your computer, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Vanguard user mode service high CPU. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.